Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Ryan Turley here. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I've got something really exciting to show you today. We're going to be taking you through the entire unboxing and setup of the Traeger Ironwood 885. I've had my eye on this grill for a couple years now, and I am so stoked to have this in my arsenal. So we're not going to waste any time. We're going to get right into it. Let's go.
So right out of the gates, I was really impressed with how organized and well packaged everything was. And check out this handwritten note from the CEO, Jeremy Andrus. Pretty solid touch right there. The instructions to set this up were super simple, only 3 pages, and all of the tools and hardware were clearly marked and made this easy like Sunday morning. While I'm unboxing all these different items, I just want to send a big thank you to Traeger Grills for sending me this. I have always been a big fan of Traeger, and for them to believe in me enough to send me this for this video and many others to come is pretty awesome. All right, let's get back to the build here. The instructions do recommend using 2 people for this job, and I would second that. Getting this smoker on its side solo wasn't the easiest. Here is all the hardware I used for each leg. And each leg was color-coded and numbered so that you knew exactly which leg went into which corner of this smoker. Pretty self-explanatory. And Traeger did provide all the tools necessary for this setup, but I ended up using my own Allen driver bit, and I tried to use their wrench, but it just took way too long, so I ended up using a 9/16 socket wrench, and it made the whole job go a lot easier, especially with these legs. So if you are enjoying this content so far, be sure to like this video, drop me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And be sure to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss future uploads. These legs came together super quick, and next I set up the support pieces for each set of legs.
Yeah, it's like a TV, only for meat. It's a meat TV.
So this is pretty much the only mistake I made the entire build. I went to pick up this beast and realized I didn't lock the casters on the wheels. So I made a quick adjustment on the wheels and this bad boy propped right up. Super easy. I was able to handle it myself, but I would still recommend getting someone to help you. And here you'll see me getting the power cord all dialed in along with the side shelf. And now for the grill handle installation. These washers here seem to be insulated to protect the handle from any heat. Pretty cool.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Say Traeger.
And here is a look at the 20-pound pellet hopper. So all your pellets are going to go through there and then work their way through the auger. And that auger is going to pick up right here and roll those pellets all the way through to this firebox and provide heat for the entire smoker. And then a fan is going to provide convection style heat and even smoke throughout this entire smoke chamber. Here's a quick look at the heat baffle and the grease drip tray. Don't forget your drip tray liner. This one actually came with the set. Now I'm setting up the grill grate on the smoke level. You can also drop this down to a sear level and even more cooking area with the top grill grate. I think it goes without saying, I'm pretty stoked. Here's the grease bucket and bucket liner. Now here is the folding front shelf. This is the first accessory I would highly suggest getting on the Ironwood 885 and well, any Traeger grill for that matter. It just makes cooking that much more convenient. You're gonna have temperature probes, seasonings, sauces, meats, veggies, and this folding shelf just makes the whole process that much easier and you're not having to juggle so many items. Now there is one more thing I did want to show you. This is the box the Ironwood 885 came in, and if you cut it down one side and then flip it inside out, retape it, you've got this pretty sweet playhouse for your kids or your pets. Yeah.
you like your new house? You say thank you, Traeger. So thanks for sticking with me through this building of the Traeger Ironwood 885. This came together super quick, super easy. I was really impressed with the quality and the precision of the manufacturing. Alright, so there are a ton of features on this grill that I am going to cover in my next video, which will be the seasoning of the Traeger Ironwood 885. A few of those features include the Wi-Fi technology, which allows you to control the entire grill from your phone through the Traeger app, along with a deep 20-pound pellet hopper. There's also a pellet sensor in here that'll alert you when your pellets are getting low. We've got a D2 controller in here, the double sidewall insulation. There's a super smoke mode along with the downdraft exhaust. So I'm going to cover all of that in my next video. And if you're still with me, thanks so much for tuning in. And if you haven't already, be sure to like this video, hit me up with any questions you have in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly, usually about smoking meats on my Traeger grill, along with my offset smoker that I've got back here as well. So until next time, hope you all have a great night, and we'll see you next week. Peace.